first stock is actually PCAM. Okay, I think if you look at the share price have been falling quite substantially from above 7 ringgit to now slightly above 6 ringgit. But if you look at the price trend here, if essentially what it means here is the low at 528 will likely be its near-term support. Okay, because when rebound started to kick in, share price was actually quick to bounce back above the resistance trend line as well as the 30-day and 50-day SMA. Notably, I think when you look at the last few days, momentum has been we have seen follow through in momentum, put it this way. Okay, so I think the bulls basically have regained some footing, but do take note that there could be some sideways consolidation over the next 1-2 days to build a base near the 50-day SMA before the next uplift kick in. Okay. Second stock is actually Gas Malaysia. I think if you look at Gas Malaysia, has been gyrating near the 30-day and 50-day SMAs for the last few weeks, and I think basically yesterday we saw the share price trying to test the resistance trend line again. Okay, even though I think it fails to bounce or close above that, I think judging from the momentum as evident from the still rising RSI, I think there's a good chance that the share price may retest the high. And on the downside, yes, 200-day SMA looks like a good support because the previous seller has actually seen some buying interest near there. But in the near term, the 30-day and 50-day SMA will be a good indicator. Third stock is actually Kumpulan Kitakon. I think if you look at the trading of this stock in the past has been very lackluster, but I think over the last few weeks we have seen increasing interest. Basically, if you look at share price, it actually traded sideways near the 30-day and 50-day SMAs over the past few weeks. And I think yesterday it actually opened gap up, okay, and closed at a new 52-week high. So I think this will likely translate into stronger follow-through, but I think we are still waiting for another white candle to validate this breakout run. Okay, so I think for the stock, basically we would expect interest to follow through, and hopefully it can actually reach our recent target, which is actually about 80 cents. This is actually the first R1, R2 is about 85 cents.